That's LaFontaine. I'm gonna hide in the back. As soon as you peep the green, you toss me a signal. Count's right. And then...
This is a stupid fucking idea.
You don't toss me a signal, I'm gonna come out firing indiscriminate-like. When LaFontaine dies tonight, I'm not only leading our crew, I'm leading them into the outfit. It's the least I could do. For Roy.
He's gonna kill us too.
Bonsoir. You open late?
We work by appointment. This is Mr. Burley.
I didn't know the city had any tailors so classy.
Thank you.
You know how to make clothes for a lady?
I haven't a clue.
Désolé.
I might have an inkling.
Oh. I'm guessing it's been quite an evening for you folks.
Hazard of the trade, madame.
Which one of you has my tape?
Money first.
Please.
Looks like
Madame LaFontaine, are you trying to rob us? Where's the money? We're not showing you the tape until we see the money.
Tape first. How do I know what's on it? I've got to listen.
Well, it seems like you're just going to have to trust us.
Ou peut-être we maybe have to trust each other.